If you watched my live stream show last Saturday night, you know all about this challenge that I'm about to announce here on YouTube now. If you didn't get a chance to watch it, let me tell you, I am going to be hosting a challenge called the Ridiculous Stepper Motor Knob Challenge. And what is that, you ask? A lot of folks are using, either 3D printing or maybe cutting wooden ones or whatever with their CNC router knobs for their stepper motors. So I decided to create a challenge where we'll see who can make the most ridiculous one. In other words, you could have a stepper motor here as or a stepper motor knob, I should say, as the base, and you could have some kind of figure coming off the top that spins. You could have gears. I mean, you can just, whatever your imagination can dream up. There's only a few rules. As you make the knob, or what would be the base, I guess, of your whole piece, it must be functional. So in other words, when you have your power off, you must be able to turn it and move whatever axis you have it on. I assume most people will probably put it on the Z just because it's easier to see and you can make things spin around this way, although it doesn't have to be. It does have to be on a stepper motor. Your knob project can be from wood, metal, plastic, whatever kind of material you want, as long as you use a CNC to make it, whether it be a CNC router, CNC laser, or a CNC 3D printer, whatever you want to use. And the way you will enter is as you're making this, you'll shoot a video. You don't have to be anything fancy. You can use the camera on your phone or whatever, but shoot a little bit of video, just enough to see that I can see that you're using a CNC to make it. If you put some kind of, let's say you put a Batman or something sitting on the top of this knob, make sure that you show the video of you printing out or however you're creating that Batman, because that way I can tell it's not that you got just some action figure over at the dollar store or something. It has to be something you make with a CNC. It could be gears on top of here. It could be ballerina spinning around. It can be anything you want. Just see how ridiculous you can make it. You can enter as many times as you want, so if you do something crazy and later on you think of something that's even cooler, you can do another one. Just make sure that it's on a separate video. And again, all these will be YouTube videos. Or if you don't have a YouTube channel, I don't know how you're watching this, but if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can shoot the video with your phone or whatever and just send me the video or send me a link with a Dropbox or something like that where I can check out the video. Let's see what else here. Right now, depending on how many entries I get, right now the prize is going to be $100 winner take all. So it'll probably be like an Amazon gift card or a Visa gift card or something, but it'll be just like winning $100 cash. So the challenge starts right now and will run all the way through October 4th. So that gives you loads of time, especially all you 3D printer guys, because I know how slow they are. You can really come up with something elaborate and have plenty of time, because you got a little over 2 months to complete your project. So I think I've covered everything. Yeah, I think I've covered it all. If you've got any questions, you can always catch me on Facebook. You can comment below on this video, or you can email me. Pretty much everybody knows how to get a hold of me these days. So anyway, that's going to do it. I wish everybody good luck with the challenge. I can't wait to see what kind of ridiculous things you'll come up with. And thanks for watching.